Kaito, welcome to the Christian world and happy first birthday. It's such a blessing to be your mom, and I have no other wish but for you to be happy and healthy.
Sana lumaki kang maayos and malusog. Tulad nga ng sabi ng mami mo na yun lang naman yung hiling namin, and yun, mag-spend ng time together for forever.
Excited na ako for us to spend a lot of time together and to share more memories together. That's all.
Umuwi na, pero sobrang appreciative po namin sa lahat na nagpunta. Thank you so much kahit bagyo. Hindi ko in-expect na mag-e-effort yung ganito karaming tao to show us this much love and appreciation. So thank you po, thank you po.
Happy birthday, Kaito! We love you!